This is a single sliding door, so it has one panel that operates, and then it comes with a non-operable panel. This one has transoms and side lights, but we focus in on the sliding door. So your door will come from this point to this point, up here to down here. The one thing that I want to talk about would be the glass. So glass stoppers are on the inside, so they're not on the outside. So they give you that safety and security feature where you cannot remove the glass from the outside. It always has to be done from the interior. Your hardware for the door, you can see here it's a modern finish, very heavy duty as well. So unlocking the door, you just make sure that it's on the lock. You would hear a latching as you do that. And then operating the door is very smooth. On the tracks on the bottom, they are built in a way that you are going to be able to open and close your door very smoothly without any difficulties, regardless of the size. So you can see here, I can open it and close it with one finger, and then it can lock in. Once it's locked, you just make sure it's positioned close to the mechanism, and then you'll be able to engage it in. On the bottom, you would have a kick lock. So if you want to add that extra lock when your door has already been locked, so you can easily lock it down without having to put any wooden stick or anything like that underneath the door. The other thing, if you would like to have it locked at one single position, you can easily do that. So that kick lock has another position that you can have your door to be stopped at. So in that case, it will provide you with a little bit more air flow point where you don't have to open the door fully. Even if you leave it open, the door is always going to remain still because it's locked on the bottom. And the screen is always positioned on the outside. So screen is also very smooth and easy to open. So you can slide it back and forth. When it comes to efficiency, the frame here, you can see that it's thick enough for the sash to be able to be also accommodating of a triple pane glass with a dual weather strip. So you got one on position on the outside, one position on the inside. And then this is another engaging 2 points that can help the sash to engage with the other part of the door. So when you lock your door, those 2 points, they will properly attach to each other, making it very energy efficient and no air leakage that can happen all around the frame. So your sash always slides on the metal tracks. Metal tracks are what we use for such door. They are heavy duty on the bottom, as you can see. And then if you take a look or a closer look to the bottom right there, you'll be able to see that it has drainage system. So water can be flushed to the outside instead of water to come into the interior. And those holes are visible as you pay closer attention to your door. On the outside, when you come to your sliding door, the first thing you will see is your screen. So the screen is made out of a metal frame as well. It is a heavy duty frame, so it wouldn't bend over the time. The material of the mesh could be either fiberglass, or you can have heavy duty material if you have pets. Make sure that you ask for that. And as you open it and close it, the tracks are metal, so you can easily operate back and forth. And you would also be able to lock it from the inside. So it does have that feature of locking it as you lock your door. On the bottom sill, it is a metal sill. So we always use metal sills for all of our sliding doors. And then to operate the door, it's also very smooth. Same thing like doing it from the inside. It can also be encrypted with a key lock if you would like to have a key lock for such door. The corners are also welded all at the same time. So it's a welded corner, as you can see here, and it's a seamless finish, very minimalist, and there wouldn't be any glass stoppers from the outside because they're all positioned on the inside. So this is the operable one, and this is the non-operable one. So you can see that this is a dual sliding door with a metal sill.